Joke. I'm making fears. I can't buy Colgate or soap. Let me go. I'm making fears.
Light skin in the back, walk one, right here, but it's so fat, little.
Don't think it's joke. Every time when fat night come around, I'm mountain I broke. Yeah. You know why? I'm making fears.
Reaction.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's about Terry Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss, and I'm back in with another video for you guys. Now we're back in Grenada. What's going on? The Reaction Boss there right now. The people represent for me. Hold on, let me see what's going on. Sorry, hold on. Alright, Grenada, what I deal with? Yo, Khalifah. And you know what I mean? Alright, anyways people, what's song called I'm Making Fears. Look see what's happening for this song right. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. If you are new, if it's the first time seeing The Reaction Boss face, you know we'll get straight to the action over here. So less chattings and do what your reaction says a lot, so run tune. Alright. Big body girl on the car now. Hold on there. This look like same film that video in America, you know. But then just like, yeah, this is there I do. Alright, go on. Hey, just the beat alone, me know see the girl in body go start go up and down, run around in a circle and bag of things. I'm less chatting here. Go on. Aye. Yeah. Wait now.
This. You know what I mean? I'm spending all my money and I spend it. I'm spending all my money and I spend it. I'm spending all my money and I spend it. I spend it.
Hola. Like it video, because nothing feel the energy we are going. Like the video. Leave a like on the video because you know like you don't feel the energy. You don't see the song, it didn't even start yet.
I'm making fears. You think it's joke? I'm making fears. I can't buy Colgate or soap. Let me go. I'm making fears.
Light skin in the back, walk one, right here, but it's so fat, little.
Don't think it's joke. Every time when fat night come around, I'm mountain I broke. Yeah. You know why? I'm making fears with my
it's the light skin. Me tell you about light skin right the sound of people. I think with a laugh and a joke, come say light skin body does. Look at that move on the left. Watch it.
Money, I'm making fears with my money. I'm making fears with my money. My whole damn salary, I'm making fears. Monday, I'm making fears. Tuesday, I'm making fears. Wednesday, I'm making fears with my pay. I ain't gonna lie, I go buy a vagina. So anytime I call.
What you say? You ain't gonna lie, you will buy a vagina. Hold on. You go buy the pumps? You buying pumps now?
Call you girl, it's for a hire. I say I ain't gonna lie, I go buy a vagina. So anytime I call you, just come cause I'm a pay. I tell you Tomo making fears, Pop is making fears, Noidy making fears, Scatter making fears, Mikel making fears, Happy Boy making fears, Jello, Juan, Jordan, stick to the plan. I'm making fears with my money, I'm making fears with it. I'm making fears with my money, I'm making fears with it. I'm making fears with my money, I'm making fears with it. I'm making fears with it. I'm making fears.
Ooh, and there we go. The BBW that we are talking about. Who's texting I? Who is texting I? Hold on, somebody that text I. Who just text me? Somebody just text me. Hold on the people, hold on. You see, because somebody just text the I. Hold on. What are you saying? What's up? You gonna stay on the phone? I'm in the middle of recording right now. Say what's popping. Alright, you gonna stay on the phone then. I don't want you to fall asleep. Anyways, back to the video. Right now we're seeing these BBWs, y'all. Let's go straight. Ready?
I'm making fears. You think it's joke? I'm making fears. I can't buy Colgate or soap. Let me go. I'm making fears. Don't think it's joke. Every time when fat night come around, I'm mountain I broke. You know why?
People, I told you, light skin body just step on a different level in the dog. It a move on a different level like she try eat what is bad man in the dog. You don't understand right now. Go on.
Tell you broke people can't make no fears. Broke people can't buy no beers. Broke people can't even break a place cause they can't buy no gas.
Why you have to come for broke people so while like about broke people can't make no fears? What? Broke people can't buy no beers. Yo, you what?
I start to make fears with my money, that's why I broke. And if all you feel is me alone making fears, you're making joke. I tell you Natty making fears, Thunder making fears, Unispark and Electrify and Terra making fears, Boise making fears, Talpri making fears, Specky, Squeezed, Lava, Tash.
I ain't gonna lie, that name they kind of funny. See, what kind of name is Specky, Squeezed and Lava? No, I don't like that. Go on.
I'm making fears with my money, I'm making fears with it. I'm making fears with my money, I'm making fears with it. I'm making fears with my money, I'm making fears with it.
I ain't gonna cap to bro. Why you using fake money? Why you use fake money? Why you using fake money? Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm recording a video real quick. What are you doing? What are you doing? Run it!
I'm making fears with it. I'm making fears.
Is this money? You gotta make your feels away. Yeah, money?
Yeah.
How much? 20?
Yeah.
Why, who ain't fucking that? Why move for me with that?
Styling thing.
Why, there ain't enough money in your pocket? You feel I'm making to the kind of ticket?
This man just took the doorbell off there. Nigga just took the doorbell off. This man crazy as hell, bro.
Making fears with it. I'm making fears with my money. I'm making fears with it. I'm making fears with it. I'm making fears. I'm making fears. You think it's joke? I'm making fears. I can buy Colgate or soap. Let me go. I'm making fears. Don't think it's joke. Every time when Fortnite come around, I'm wanting a broke. You know why? I'm making fears with my money. I'm making fears with my money. I'm making fears with my money. My whole damn salary, I'm making fears. Monday, I'm making fears. Tuesday, I'm making fears. Wednesday, I'm making fears with my pay. A day up in St. Patrick's making fears. I go. St. David's making fears. I go. St. John's making fears. St. Andrews making fears. Guapton making fears. London making fears. New York making fears. Miami making fears. I'm making fears. You think it's joke? I'm making fears. I can buy Colgate or soap.
It's one thing though, people, like, he's always enjoying himself in all his little music videos, you feel me? I love that. And he makes sure that everybody else around him enjoys themselves too in his music videos, you feel me? Like the first one I reacted to from him, bruh, it's called Bus Tour. That shit was crazy, bruh. You got females on the roof, on the top of the bus, through the window, like, they was everywhere throwing that ass. Bruh, that shit was crazy. If y'all ain't check that one out, go check that out for real. The reaction itself was lit. I ain't gonna cap. I was dancing and shit too. I think I even took my shirt off. Yeah, I was showing my skinny ass. Yeah, I go peep that reaction. Bust to reaction. That shit lit. Let's go.
I'm making fears. Don't think it's joke. Every time you Fortnite come around, I'm wanting a broken. I'm making fears with my money.
No, me want to understand a question, people. So y'all really believe that girl, that last kid girl right there, really like approve of them putting her coochie out there like that? Like, you see the whole her pussy though. You can look, you see the whole her pussy outside a while ago. Like, come on, baby, we'll see it. And then they didn't even blur it out. Like, I look on the fat pum pum. Like, yeah, we'll see. Then they full look on it. I mean, I look. You know me, I gonna look on your pussy already.
My whole salary done. And when mountain come, I can't even buy rum. I'm making.
Video done?
Listen, blood,
Hey, boy, drunk.
Bro, listen, fam. Come up my yard, you're taking the piss. Spending all this stupid money on these dumb girls. Bro, running up fares on these girls.
What?
No money for the rent. Come up my house.
Oh, gosh.
One more week. Bro, I'm not taking the piss, bro. You ain't got no money for the rent, but you can spend all these money on these chains and these girls. Come up my house.
In this clip, it's been a boy Terry Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Hope y'all enjoyed that little video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe for some more. I'll see y'all in another one. Peace.